We are here at the Concours event at Hampton Court. So here's some of the cars. That looks like a Porsche Junior, J40, Maddie's Ferrari, a Amilcar I think it is, another J40, another J40, 917. Triumph, Scallop's Porsche, Testarossa, and a baby Bugatti. This is Hampton Court Palace, and if I stand on the edge of this, the real Ferrari GTO is right where that van is, right behind it. So we're going to get some pictures of it with Maddie's Ferrari. Scarlett's just trying out her Christmas present in her dreams. And how is this, Scarlett?
It's very nice and lovely and healthy.
It's amazing detail.
So, what we want. Too far away?
They find the real things a little bit more expensive, but I dare say these are quite expensive as well.
You did? Fantastic. Well, they're pretty straight stripes, and it's nice to see them hand painted. Congratulations and well driven. Thank you.
Well done, young lady. Congratulations.